3 reasons why gold is still the safest money move. Gold morning mga madam, stocks, crypto, real estate. Maganda yan kung kaya mong matulog sa risk. Pero kung gusto mo, hindi ka worried every night, ito na. Gold pa rin ang pinaka-safe money because reason number 1, gold doesn't crash overnight. Wala yang down 40% in one day. Gold is slow, steady, and strong. Habang ang iba, panic. Ang gold owners, chill lang. Reason number 2, value always comes back up. May times na bababa ang presyo? Yes. Pero ang ginto, lalong bumabalik pataas. Number 3, you can control it, not the system. Hawak mo na sa'yo. Walang app, walang login, and third party. At higit sa lahat, hindi mo kailangan ng permission bago gamitin. Kaya mga madam, kung sawa ka na sa kaba tuwing bumababa ang market, gold lang ang investment na parang ikaw. Matatag kahit anong mangyari. This is Madam Gold Digger reminding you, kung gusto mo ng tulog na mahihimbing at wallet na secured, gold is the move.